Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of makeup, but not by applying it, we're creating it. Get ready to go behind the scenes and discover how everyday makeup products, from lipsticks to eyeshadows, come to life. So grab your curiosity, and let's get mixing. Making makeup involves various steps and processes, depending on the type of makeup product being produced. Here's a general overview of how makeup is made, from base to beauty. Research and development. Before anything else, makeup companies conduct extensive research to identify market trends, consumer needs, and preferences. They also research ingredients, formulations, and potential benefits of the products they plan to develop. Mixing and blending. Once the ingredients are prepared, they are combined in mixing vessels according to the formulation recipe. Mixing is done using specialized equipment such as mixers, homogenizers, or mills to ensure uniform distribution of the ingredients and the desired texture. There you have it. From scientific formulas to stunning packaging, a lot goes into making the makeup you love. So next time you reach for your favorite lipstick or eyeshadow, remember the science and creativity that went into its creation. Thanks for joining me on this journey.